Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video in Adobe Dimension. In this video we are going to see how to use the alignment panels and at the same time the distribution panels. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channels. You can also let likes on the video. If you want to learn everything about Adobe Dimension, it's on the first link on the description, the complete course that I propose. So let's start working with alignment. The first thing that I'm going to do is to create a cube like this. And I would like to create a view like, perspective view, isometric view for an interior room. So I'm going to enter a value for my cube on the right, and on the x-axis, I can type 400. On the y-axis 20, and on the z-axis 400 also. Now the next step is to duplicate. Press Ctrl D and take this red circle and change the position and create a rotation 90 degrees. After, the next step is you go on the right, you can find the blue axis. And on the blue axis, I'm going to change the value for 300, like that. Now the next step is to drag and move here, and I want to drag and move with the value of here. As you can see, I can move just like this, and let's just move a little bit also in this direction, on this area, and drag and move on this direction also. Perfect, like this. The thing that I'm going to do is to, if I want to snap directly on this area, take a glance. I drag and move. Here I'm going to enter a value of 170. So now if I want to work with the alignment, take a glance. It's not perfect here. Even if I move a little bit on this direction, or if I move a little bit on this direction. Select the two elements with Shift. So you select the two cubes with Shift, and you can open now the alignment panels. Now you need to take a glance. You can have the preview. Depending of what you want to do, here in this example, I don't need to work on the green axis, but I need to work on the blue axis, left click here, and on this axis, left click. And take a glance, it is perfect. Now if I take this element again, first click outside, deselect everything, press Ctrl D, and create another rotation on the z-axis. I can start to move a little bit on this direction, and I can start to move a little bit on this direction also. Now if I want to create something perfectly, I can press Shift, select this cube and this cube, alignment panels, and I need to work with this part just like that, and I need to click here just like this, and now it's perfect. If, for example, inside I put a table inside, I can go on the side table just like this, and if I press Shift with the cube with this base, alignment panels, I want to center my table. I can click on Align Center on Z, and I can click on Align Center on the x-axis, just like this. If I want to go in this corner, I can click here and click here. So this is why it is useful. Now just let's take a glance about the distribution. If I take this table, just like this, so I select only the side table and position my table here. Now I can press Ctrl D and duplicate the table, and Ctrl D, duplicate the table again. And I want to have the same space. I position my first table first. Maybe I can put another one more. So first you position your first table. Let's press Ctrl D. You position the last table. And to have exactly the same space, press Shift, select all the table, alignment panels, and now you can find the distribution. The distribution is this line on the z-axis, red axis, or green axis. So I can click here and have the right distribution on the x-axis. Perfect, just like that. If I show you in another direction, so for example, I select my first table, just go outside, select this first table, and drag and move here. I select this table, drag and move, for example, just like this. Without the same alignment, it's going to be great also. I put another table just like this, and I can put another table, for example, here. Now I select all the table, press Shift, 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 select all the table. And first thing that I'm going to do is to open the alignment panels. And if I want to have everything on my first table, I can click here and have everything on the right alignment. And now I need to work on the blue axis, so it means on the Z axis, and left click, and I have exactly the same space. So this is how you can work with the alignment. This is how you can work with alignment and distribution in Adobe Dimension. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't hesitate to like on my videos. And the complete course, Adobe Dimension, 3D modeling and presentation with 3D models, is available on the first link on the description. You need to master deep dimension. You need to master everything. You like my tutorials, so this course will be for you. First link on the description. For the next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.